Hello guys, peace! Welcome to my vlog. This is the real Uchiha and this poser Uchiha Marlon. We're going again to vlog the party packs. Hey, what the? Hello guys, peace! Once again, this is Uchiha Marlon. So for today's vlog, we're going to buy an effing partybox 110. So it's already available in our country for today. So we're going to meet an online seller and hopefully we have a successful transaction. So let's go ahead and check it out, guys. So we're going ahead to the partybox 1110 seller. Guys, we are already here at the mall, so we are waiting for the online seller to come. So it's a little bit late, so let's wait for him. While waiting for the online seller, let's play some mobile games and say hi to my girl.
Hello guys! Welcome to Uchiha's vlog. Hope you like and enjoy it.
Already got the partybox 110 and we're going to unbox this at my house. So let's go home and unbox and test this partybox. So hello guys, we are here already at home, so we're going to unbox this effing party box. So I have here the cutter to open this box, but before doing that, let's check the box details first. So as you can see here guys, we have the actual picture of the party box 110 as well as the features of the party box, and showing you the other side of the box, we have the actual picture of the party box 110 as well as the features of the party box. Let's say guys that the party box 110 box size is somewhat similar to the party box 100. And also guys, I noticed that the picture background color tone matches the light show color of the party box in this picture, which is pretty cool in my opinion. So I think that's it guys, so we can proceed already in opening this box with this cutter. The box is already in horizontal position, so we're going to open this. So as you can see here guys, we have as usual the box for the cords and manuals. So we have 4 cords in with the party box 110, as you can see. And then we have the manual party box 110 indicated here, and also as this. I think this is the safety instruction, the black one. Then nothing else guys. So what are the other things inside this box? So what do we have here? Oh, it's Uchiha. So it's the real Uchiha. What are you doing here? You're not allowed here. I'm doing a vlog. Just joking guys. So I just put this Uchiha on the box. So guys, for the main event, I think we can remove already the party box 110 in this box already. Before doing that, let's remove these cords and this manual and the box. So guys, we're going to put this party box in horizontal position so that we can remove the actual party box. As you can see here guys, so in this case we can remove already the party box. let's check. So the moment of truth, guys. So we're going to do the party box. Friends, so the real party box is. So in actual, guys, I can definitely say that this party box 110 is somewhat similar to the size of party box 100. So if you will search Google, so this party box 110 is somewhat taller than the party box 100 by 1 inch, and the weight of this party box is 2 pounds heavier than the party box 100. So this weighs around 23 pounds and the party box 100 is 21 pounds. So I can say, guys, that this is still portable and you can carry this all around by its weight. So let's check the top of this party box. As you can see here, it's the same as the party box 710. Also have the knob for the light show effects. Also have the light show on and off button, and as well as the Bluetooth, bass boost button, and the power button. And you also have here the volume knob, and also the start and stop for the music. Let's check the back of this party box. So we have a new look here. So we have here the waterproof cover for protecting the audio ports of this party box 110. So we have here the microphone jack, the guitar jack, we have the USB port, TWS button, auxiliary in and out, and we have the volume control for the mic, and as well for the guitar volume control. So we have here a hole. So this is seen by all party boxes. I don't know what this hole is called, so I think for me it's an a-hole. Just joking, guys. So I think the purpose of this hole is for amplifying the subwoofer sound. So we also have a waterproof cover for the power cord, as you can see here, guys. So I think that's it for the details of this party box. So we're gonna turn this on. So the moment of truth, guys. So we're going to turn on this party box and let's see. So I'm holding down the power button. So the power button already lights up. So we can already see that the party box already have the light show effects. So I think this is much cooler than the party box 100 because the tweeter also has the lights in it, and the subwoofer lights is similar to the party box 710. So let's check, guys, the other lights effect for this party box by turning this knob button. So you can see the different lights effect for this party box. So I think, guys, that's it for the lights. Let's see, guys, if this party box will also stand out, or the sound for this party box is much better than the party box 100. So for the sound test of this party box, we're going to use a condenser mic or the binaural mic so that you can hear it loud and clear. So at the bottom of this party box, we have the speaker stand cover. So let's remove it, guys. So you can see here the speaker stand hole. So we're going to insert it in the speaker stand, as you can see here. So let's carry this on in the speaker stand and let's hook it. So as you can see here, guys, I already inserted the speaker stand on the speaker stand hole of the party box in the bottom. So now, guys, we can already do this sound test for this party box.